Alright, let's get started. Welcome everyone. Today we're going to talk about SolidWorks design accelerators. What is an design accelerator, you may ask? I'm going to answer that question in less than 60 seconds. First, I want to introduce myself. My name is Rafael Testai. I'm an official SolidWorks influencer. What does that mean? I make CAD videos, not only teaching people the software, but I tear apart devices, show them the mechanisms inside, and add the human touch to mechanical engineering. You may see some of my blogs on the official SolidWorks blog website, and this is me interviewing some engineers, explaining the cool things, the cool projects they worked on, and I'm also a co-host in the Being an Engineer podcast. Highly recommend you all listen to it. It's the #1 ranked mechanical engineering podcast on Google. I work at Pipeline, which is a company, mechanical engineering firm down the street, basically 15 minutes away, and we help create a Udemy class for resilient CAD modeling. We have over 2,000 students enrolled, and they did pretty well. So let's talk about Pipeline and design accelerators. What is it that we do at Pipeline? We develop turnkey automated machines, test equipment, fixtures for engineering teams and manufacturing teams. The reason I show you this, now we're going to talk about design accelerators, is fixtures. So we do a lot of fixtures at Pipeline. And the name of the company Pipeline has actually nothing to do with pipelines. It's because the founder, Aaron Munkert, who in here knows Aaron Munkert by any chance? A couple hands, 3 hands, awesome. So he's my mentor, and I work at the company with him. And the company's named Pipeline because he's from Hawaii, and there's a beach in Hawaii named Pipeline. So we do fixtures. How does this tie into design accelerators? What is a design accelerator? So, what we're looking at now, it's a mock-up device that we see here. And here is what you may call a fixture. It holds the device in place. When you're working and doing fixtures, you need to, a lot of times, cycle test devices and you need to constrain them in a place. So this is something that we do very frequently at the firm that I work at. So part of Aaron's vision is, let's expedite this. Let's make it more affordable for the customer. We'll charge them less hours. So let's create kind of like a template. You could call it design accelerators like a template. And this is what we help create. I'm actually the author of this file that we're looking at now. The design accelerator this is actually pink and green. It's a little faded from the projector. But we created that, and it comes with all the components, everything that you need. So if you download this file, which you can do for free on our website, it's very simple. You can make your own adjustments. If you're looking to make a fixture or anything else at home or the company that you work at, you open up the master model. This is where all the dimensions are in. And I purposely designed the main dimensions that you may need to edit, so they're popping out. They're done through annotations. I thought that was really cool. So, okay, well, I have a device that's not the mock-up device that's in here, and the device may need for a fixture that's maybe 6 inches in length, right? So let's update that. Put this new plug in my rebuild. Okay, there it goes. I rebuild it. And maybe the width is just a little wider, right? 4 inches. Now we go to the assembly, and so you know, when we update the assembly, it updates with that. The design accelerator, which is this CAD file package, it comes with a Word document that outlines step by step what you need to do to edit this yourself from home. So instead of taking you maybe a day to create this from total scratch, looking up the files on McMaster, downloading, I forgot to say, this is magnetic, the 2 halves close magnetically. Instead of looking up the proper McMaster hardware and you gotta measure all the tolerances, it's all done for you. Just download this, follow 8 steps, edit some of the dimensions that you show in the document. If you don't know how to do a contour or like an indent to subtract the body, we wrote an article that shows you exactly how to do it. So now you can have, instead of spending maybe over a day working on this, in just maybe an hour or so, you have your own fixture that you can do. With everything included, pack and go, all the hardware, everything's in there. And if you want to download these, the easiest way to do it is, if you go to my LinkedIn, you can go to the Team Pipeline website, but I also have a hyperlink here. You go to like my playlist, and down here, scrolling down, design accelerators. And if you email me later, I can send you the direct link. It's called The Wave, because Aaron's from Hawaii and everything's like Hawaii themed, which I really like. So you scroll down and we got plenty of them. This was just one that I showed you. We got one for, what do you call it, French doors. plenty of them. And we're creating more and more. Thank you for watching. That's my presentation. Open any questions.
Question. How often do you find for you guys' projects you use those? Is it like every project either becoming often at least one design accelerator comes out of it, or does every project use 2 or 3 a year? Speak to that a little bit.
Yeah, for sure. This Design Accelerator initiative just started 2 months ago. So we've already started using it in our project internally. From what I recall, from the huddles that we had every day with the rest of the engineers, maybe once every week and a half or so, someone says, hey, I use this Design Accelerator. So that's validation from our own team internally. If we're using this, maybe people outside pipeline can use it too. They're free, by the way, for now.
Gotcha.
Everyone understood what I explained? I thought it was going to be hard to understand. Okay, that's good.
I do that now. I do something similar to that now.
Yeah.
Not quite as